Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean. If you're new here and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? How are those first quarter goals coming? Today's wig is perfect for my girlies who are trying to get in the gym this year. And if you want to see how I got this cute little look, then let's get into it. Alright, so we're starting off looking a hot mess, but as confident as ever. You know what I mean? That's the energy we're taking into 2025. I have some leave out in the front, braids in the back. I have all of that under a netted wig cap. I'll link them down below. I love to use these when I'm wearing like half wigs or anything that doesn't have a scalp. They're nice and breathable. I'm able to oil my scalp and it keeps everything nice and tidy under my wig. I don't have to worry about no braids poking out and all of that. It keeps everything nice and cute. And to be honest, my hair's health is the most important to me right now, especially when I'm working out and just trying to kind of keep it out of the way. Today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwig. It's this really cute bob headband half wig situation. Your girl has been in the gym, okay? Not as much as I'm supposed to be, but way more than normal. I've been really looking for a style I can just throw on, not have to worry about styling my hair too much, not have to worry about styling the extensions too much. Just a really easygoing unit, and I think this is my girl, okay? Her name is Tara. It's a glueless Yaki textured bob wig. It's made from Indian hair. I got it in 10 inches, and this is their new 2.0 cap. Now this one has an elastic band instead of the Velcro, which can kind of rub on your scalp a little bit and be a bit uncomfortable. The elastic band strap is adjustable. You can make it nice and tight, and it also has an adjustable drawstring, so your girl is got a nice little grip to her. She's not going anywhere. And the entire cap is breathable, so it's not an actual material cap. It's kind of sewn to where there's a bit of a gap in between all of the tracks for air to flow through, so she's nice and breathable. So like I said, this wig is perfect for the gym. And it has a built-in headband on it, so literally the install is about to be so fast. I already have my baby hairs done and my hair all tucked into my wig cap, so I just went ahead and popped her on so we can see what she's giving right out of the package. I didn't wash her. Normally I would, but to be honest, I got somewhere to go, so I went ahead and popped her on. Now I'm brushing her out, and of course, if y'all are new to my channel, you might not know, but Myfirstwig has some of my favorite Yaki textured hair. It's really light and airy, but it does have a nice texture to it. If you were to have to blend your hair, it would be super easy. And even though we don't have to blend it, it still just looks really natural. Like, get into the texture. It looks like I just got a fresh perm, or I just straightened my hair and like unwrapped it and it got a little bend to it. Like, it looks natural. But of course, we have to give her a little shaping, a little styling. So I'm gonna go in with my 1-inch Fabulous Pro flat irons. I have had these for years and I am obsessed with them. If you are on the market for some flat irons, definitely check them out. I will link them down below. I'm quite literally obsessed. I use them all the time. They get super hot. They work really well on my wigs and weaves, but baby, my silk presses don't quit, okay? They gotta have some anti-humidity blocking technology or something. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the titanium plates, but girl, my hair gets laid. Now, for this wig, I went ahead and sectioned out the first couple of rows of tracks, and we're gonna go ahead and straighten everything out and add a little bump to it. Not quite a Bobby Brown bump, okay? More of like a, not even a Farquaad bump. It's ever so slight bump. We're trying to give Edna mode, okay, if you will. So I'm taking my flat iron, running it down the hair, going straight, and just giving it a little slight bend at the very end of my hair. And I'm not taking super small sections. I kind of worked my way up in about 1 inch to 1.5 inch sections. The hair is actually pretty straight to begin with. I'm just trying to polish it up and kind of perfect it a little bit. Our girl did just come straight out of a box, okay? Like, not too much on her. Give her a little break. And I'm not mad at the little half up, half down. We might have to explore that later. So put a pin in that, okay? But as you can see, I'm taking pretty big sections, and I'm following my comb just to make sure everything is bone straight and I don't have to pass over it too many times. Now, of course, this isn't our natural hair, so we don't have to be as conscious of the heat we're applying to it, but I don't know about y'all, I like to keep my wigs, so I do err on the side of caution as far as styling them. I have fun, I play with them, I style them for sure, but we are not trying to use and abuse them, girls. So do not be flat ironing the same piece 12 times. Like, give sis a break, okay? Give Tara a break. Now, I'm playing around with the styling a little bit. Like I said, I just opened the box, so we're figuring this out together. As of right now, I'm trying to give like side part businesswoman vibes, okay? I'm giving a little bit of bump to the top section just so it kind of gives a faux swoop moment, and I'm not mad at it. It's kind of bone straight with a little tuck on the side with a little swoop. It's giving like journalism major, you know what I mean? I'm not mad at her. She's very cute, but let's go ahead and straighten it out and see what it gives like bone straight. I called myself going over the entire section once and thought that was gonna do something, but of course it didn't. So I'm going ahead and sectioning the hair out and getting it nice and bone straight so we can kind of play with the styling a little bit and see like what our options are. People tend to think that bob wigs are difficult to style, and they're not. I'm going in with my scissors and cleaning the cut up just a touch because when the hair is super straight you can see it, but outside of that, even though the hair doesn't require a lot of styling, you still have a lot of options. With this wig, we can do a side part, we can do a little half up, half down. I think we're gonna play with that in a second. But we could also wear the hair going straight back and kind of give a different vibe, you know? Even though the hair is shorter, you can still play with it, is the point I'm trying to make, okay? So it's getting hot, girl, get creative, essentially. The moral to the story. Now, I combed everything going straight back, and I think this is my personal favorite, only because, like I said, I plan on wearing this wig mostly to the gym, and I want it out of my face. So this is what she is giving. It's giving professional, it's giving rich auntie, it's giving, I low-key want to cut my hair into a bob, but I'm trying to fight it, okay? Let's just, intrusive thoughts, let's just push that out of our head, okay? Now, for this half up, half down that we have been talking about, I had to see what it was going to give, so I sectioned out a small portion of the hair up top, and I'm going in with my favorite little cheetah print scrunchie and just seeing what it's going to give in a little pinch of a moment, and I kind of liked it. She was cute. It's perfect for the gym, to be honest. I want to look cute, but I also want to have it be really functional, and that's one of my favorite things about this wig. When I tell you I took her for a little spin, honey, I wore her to the gym, and she was cute. The length was perfect. It wasn't super hot. It wasn't sticking to me when I was sweaty. And I was able to put it in a cute little half up, half down. And I was not mad at it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you want to check this hair out, as well as all the products that I use to style it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes. I can't fight